Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about how DNA works. DNA is like a blueprint that contains all the information needed to build and maintain an organism, like us. DNA stands for deoxyribonucleic acid, and it's made up of 4 different nucleotides: adenine, thymine, guanine, and cytosine. These nucleotides are like the letters in a book, and they spell out the instructions for building and maintaining our bodies. Every cell in our body contains DNA, and each cell has the same DNA. However, different cells use different parts of the DNA to perform different functions. For example, the DNA in our skin cells contains the instructions for making skin cells, while the DNA in our muscle cells contains the instructions for making muscle cells. But how does DNA actually work? Well, DNA is made up of 2 strands that are twisted together into a double helix. The nucleotides in each strand are paired up, so that adenine always pairs with thymine, and guanine always pairs with cytosine. When a cell needs to use the information in the DNA, it unzips the double helix and copies one of the strands. This copy, called messenger RNA or mRNA, then carries the instructions to the part of the cell that will use them to make a specific protein. Proteins are like the workers in our body. They perform a wide variety of functions, from building muscles to fighting infections. So, in summary, DNA is like a blueprint that contains all the instructions for building and maintaining our bodies. Cells use different parts of the DNA to perform different functions, and when they need to use the information, they copy it into mRNA, which carries it to the part of the cell that will use it to make a protein. I hope you enjoyed learning about how DNA works. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Hello everyone.